Well, today Kayla and I are in Harvest Green West, a brand new community by DR Horton with Truland floor plans. Today they're doing the grand opening. We'll be touring some homes later in the video. This community also has a sister community across the street called Harvest Green East. Watch for a video later on that community. So if this is the first time to our channel and you'd like to know more about living in coastal Alabama, be sure to subscribe, like our videos, and tap that bell so you'll be the first to be notified as soon as we release a new video. My name is Rita Sessions, along with Kayla Robinson. We're realtors with Exit Navigator Realty. We get calls and emails from people just like you every day looking to move to coastal Alabama. So whether you're moving in 6 months or a year, be sure to contact us so we can help make your move to coastal Alabama a smooth one. You'll find all of our contact information in the description box below. So now let's take a look at the homes. So as you see from the map, Harvest Green West has 3 different lot sizes. Today we're just going to be looking at the model home, which is the Elm floor plan. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage. It is a 2-story. And this is the formal dining room. It does have a breakfast area. One good thing about these homes is the upgrade options that you have. As long as you catch it in the right stage of construction, you can pick your countertop if you want to upgrade it from granite to quartz. They have different molding packages that you can choose from. You also get to choose what style faucets or door knobs you want. They have different colors. This home has upgraded tile in the bathrooms and in the kitchen. We're in the primary suite now, and as you see in the closet, it has built-in cabinets in all of the closets and in the pantry area. They also have gas in this community, so you have a gas range, stainless steel appliances, and some of the models will have built-ins in the mud area where they'll add a little bench and possibly a shelf with some hooks on it. On the other side of the house, you'll find the other 2 bedrooms with a shared bath, which has double vanities and a dressing area, which is great if you have 2 children at home. Now we're going to go back out to the breakfast area, and you'll notice that the covered back porch is just off from the breakfast area. Now we're going to take a look at the upstairs. You'll find a bedroom, a full bath with a tub and a tiled shower combo, and a large walk-in closet. Now the bedrooms do have carpet in them, but you can upgrade that to the engineered hardwood that's throughout the house. Now let's take a look at the amenities. They have a pool, basketball court, a kids play area, and this community also has sidewalks so it makes it very walk friendly. Now in Harvest Green West, the homes will range from 1,900 square foot to almost 2,900 square feet. They will be 1 and 2 story homes with 3 or 4 bedrooms and 2 to 3.5 baths.
Coastal Alabama offers a wide variety of real estate options. So whether you're looking for a nice little cottage out in the middle of nowhere, some farmland with acres to roam, or you're looking for a beautiful beachfront property with panoramic views, you will find that here in Coastal Alabama. As native residents and local real estate experts, we specialize in properties all along the Gulf Coast. So reach out to us today and let us help make your coastal living dreams a reality. We can absolutely help you find the perfect investment opportunity or home to fit your lifestyle and budget.